Hello friends. Imagine a magical world where stars twinkle like fairy lights, and the sky is a canvas painted with endless stories. In this enchanting world, there's something called astrology. It's like a big puzzle that helps us understand who we are, just by looking at the stars and planets up above. Let's embark on a cosmic journey with our friends, Astro Alex and Luna Lily, as we unravel the mysteries of astrology together. Astrology is like a treasure map that tells us about the people we are and the adventures we might have. Our ancestors looked up at the sky and saw patterns among the stars and planets. They thought these patterns could guide our lives and help us understand ourselves better. So they started studying the stars and their positions in the sky. Long ago, people like the ancient Babylonians and Egyptians started watching the sky and drawing pictures with the stars. They made up stories about brave heroes, fierce animals, and magical creatures using the twinkling lights. They noticed that these patterns change with the seasons, just like the weather does. They thought, maybe the stars can tell us something special. Astrology has a special club called the zodiac. Imagine it like a circle pizza divided into 12 slices. Each slice is a sign, and each sign has a special name and personality traits. Astro Alex and Luna Lily are part of this club too. Astro Alex is a brave Aries, and Luna Lily is a curious Cancer. Each sign has its own story, just like each of us has a unique story. Now let's meet the planets. They are like colorful characters in a cosmic story. There's Mercury, who is super speedy, Venus, who loves beauty, Mars, the fiery adventurer, and so many more. These planets visit different signs and bring their own magic along. Sometimes they make us feel extra happy or a little sleepy, like having a friend visit with exciting gifts. In our treasure map of astrology, stars and houses play a big role too. Stars are like tiny sparkling jewels in the sky, each with its own light. Houses are like cozy rooms in the map, where the signs and planets have sleepovers. They whisper secrets about our families, friendships, dreams, and more. Let's not forget about the Mighty Constellations. These are groups of stars that make pictures of animals, objects, and heroes in the sky. For example, there's the Big Bear, the Little Dog, and even a Grand Hunter with a bow and arrow. These constellations have been our sky's storytellers for ages, sharing tales of courage and wonder. Astrology loves to help us understand our personalities. Imagine your personality is like a box of crayons, and each crayon is a trait. Astrology helps us learn which colors are the strongest in us. For example, Aries, like Astro Alex, might have a brave and energetic red crayon, while Cancer, like Luna Lily, might have a caring and emotional blue one. Just like in a play, there are key players in astrology. Ancient thinkers like Ptolemy and Hipparchus were the directors, creating the first scripts of the zodiac signs and mapping the stars. Later, scientists like Galileo and Copernicus discovered new things about space, which added to the treasure chest of astrology's knowledge. Astrology isn't just one big story, it's a collection of stories from all around the world. Different cultures have their own tales and names for the signs and planets. Imagine the sky as a huge library, with each culture contributing its own exciting chapter to the cosmic book. In today's world, astrologers are like modern-day wizards who study the stars to help us understand ourselves and make wise choices. They use computers and telescopes to read the sky's messages. These astrologers, like horoscope writers, are friendly guides who give us hints about what adventures might be waiting around the corner. Astrology isn't about telling us exactly what will happen, like a crystal ball. It's more like a weather forecast for our lives. Just as a weather person predicts if it might be rainy or sunny, astrologers suggest if we might feel happy or energetic. But remember, we're the ones who decide how to use this information in our life story. The future of astrology is as bright as a shooting star. With technology and more discoveries, we'll learn even more about the stars' secrets. Imagine having special glasses that show us hidden constellations or telescopes that can listen to the stars' songs. Astrology's treasure map will keep growing, helping us become wiser adventurers. Astrology is like a magical playground where we can learn, laugh, and explore. We can imagine flying on the backs of shooting stars or having tea parties on the moon. It's a world where stories come to life, and the sky becomes our storyteller. We'll keep finding new ways to play in the sky's sandbox and discover its endless wonders. So, my little star, You're part of this grand adventure too. You have your own special place in the sky, just waiting to be explored. Astrology is a guide that helps you understand your story and connect with the universe. Whether you're an adventurous Aries, a creative Leo, or a thoughtful Pisces, your unique constellation shines brightly. As our adventure through the land of astrology comes to an end, remember that the sky is like a big beautiful storybook that keeps changing its pages every night. It's a treasure trove of tales, waiting to be discovered. So, my stargazers, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and let the stars light up your path on this wonderful journey called life. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.